Hello, I'm Nevo. This is a simple demonstration of a multiplayer game called Hot Potato. This game is implemented using socket programming in C. Let me explain the rule of this game. Here's our ringmaster who will host this game, and he will define the number of players who can enter the game and the number of hoops. Number of hoops is like a token. Each time you pass a potato around players, the token minus by 1 until it reaches 0, and that's where the game ends. And finally, the ringmaster will, at the end of game, print out the trace of potato. A trace is a sequence of players who get the potato. Okay, here are our three players. Let's say the master throw the potato to player one first, and then player one will at random pick one of his neighbor and pass the potato to them, and they will again at random pass the potato around until the number of hoops is reached. And when the, the last player who get the potato, he will print out "I am it," saying that he is the chosen guy in this game. And then he will throw the potato back to Ringmaster. And then the Ringmaster will print out the trace of the potato. In this case, the potato goes to player number one first, then number two, one, zero, and finally go to player number zero. Okay, that's enough of the rule of the game. Let's see the real outcome of the game. Of the game, yes. I will use three servers. I will use two servers to demonstrate this game. The ringmaster, the ringmaster, and two other players are on the same server, and two other players are on the other server. As you can see, they are two servers are different by their IP address. Okay, so here on the ringmaster screen, we will start the game saying that I want four players and number of hoops is 500. We'll pass the potato around for 500 times. And the player zero will connect to the ringmaster through this IP address and this port. Okay, he's connected as player zero, then player number one, player number two, and player number three. Okay, all the players are ready. So the game begins. Here's the screen of player number three. And we can see that he's always passing the potato to player number two. And we can see the screen of player number two. He is passing the potato around, sometimes to player number one, sometimes to player number three. And he is it. So we can get, so now we know that player number two is the one who get the potato at last. And that's the screen of player number one. He's always sending potato to player number two. And this is a screen of player number zero. Looks like he only got one chance to send the potato. Okay, and finally here's the screen of the master. And here's the trace of potato. We can see player zero get only once, and this is a game mainly between player number one and player number two. Looks like they really hate each other. And finally player number two get the potato, and he lost. Okay, this is a simple demonstration of only four players, and if we want to see more, we can use .sh file. Here I defined player numbers to be 100 and hoop number to be 500, and we can run this .sh file to see the outcome. Okay, as you can see, now the potato is being sent around players, and in computer it's really hard to implement really random, because here I'm using time. So within a tick-tock of a second, the program can execute a lot of times. That's why there's certain pattern within this program. That's because we cannot really do random in our program, but we did our best. So here we can see the remaster throw the potato to player number 63, and he passed the potato around. And finally, player number 44 get a potato. Okay, that's the demonstration of this game. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.